Sounds like they have dinner plates or something. Look how pretty it is down there, babe.
Oh, I know.
You're taller than me, so. Look at the tree.
We'll see when we come back. We'll be on the other side.
I know.
There's bear. Beautiful. Look at that. Let me sit down. This thing is crazy angle. You can go over there if you want.
No, that's alright. Yeah, we're gonna have a good view when we come back.
Oh, yeah. You're trying to get the train or what?
I'm just getting it.
Like, comment, subscribe for more content.
Whoa.
Let's sit down.
Wow, you can hear the water.
Told you. We're getting close to the rock. Watch your.